Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today we are diving into the world of wooden backyard garden gates. Those charming, character-filled entrances that don't just mark the boundary of your outdoor space, but also set the tone for everything beyond. Whether you are designing a cozy cottage garden, a modern minimalist landscape, or a rustic countryside retreat, the right wooden gate can completely elevate your backyard's atmosphere. Let's start with why wooden gates never go out of style. There is something deeply emotional about walking through a wooden gate. It is like crossing a threshold between the outer world and your private sanctuary. The sound of the hinges, the feel of the wood, the craftsmanship, it all signals warmth, privacy, and welcome. Unlike metal or plastic options, wood has a natural soul. It weathers, it ages, it tells stories. Even a simple wooden gate develops a patina that reflects the passage of time and the spirit of your garden. Wood is the most versatile medium for garden gates, not just because it looks beautiful, but because it can adapt to almost any theme or climate. Hardwoods like teak, cedar, or mahogany are naturally weather resistant and can last decades with proper care. Softwoods like pine or fir, when treated, offer a more budget-friendly route while still allowing creative flexibility. And of course, wood can be carved, stained, or painted to reflect your style. From clean Scandinavian lines to intricate Victorian details. There is also sustainability. Using reclaimed or responsibly sourced wood gives your gate an eco-conscious dimension. In fact, a reclaimed barn door or pallet gate can instantly add rustic charm and authenticity. A garden gate is more than just a barrier. It is a statement piece. Think about the personality you want to express. If your backyard is lush and green, a natural finish blends harmoniously with the landscape. If you want contrast and boldness, a black-stained or charcoal-tinted gate adds drama against lighter foliage. The design language should match your home's architecture. Curved tops evoke softness and romance. Angular lines and slats lean modern. Lattice or crisscross patterns speak to cottage or farmhouse styles. And then there is hardware. Wrought iron handles, vintage hinges, or minimalist stainless steel fixtures can completely shift the visual mood. Every element is a brush stroke in your outdoor canvas. The most beautiful gates are functional works of art. They need to be sturdy enough to handle daily use, but elegant enough to draw the eye. Balance the proportions. Too tall and it feels imposing. Too short and it lacks presence. Many homeowners now design gates that serve dual purposes. For example, integrated trellises that allow climbing plants to weave through the frame, creating a living gate that blooms through the seasons. You can also integrate lighting. Imagine warm solar lights or embedded LED strips that highlight the texture of the wood after sunset. Suddenly, your gate isn't just an entrance, it is a feature that glows with ambience. A gate isn't just about looks, it is also about what it allows and what it protects. If privacy matters, go for solid panels or horizontal slats with minimal gaps. If airflow and openness are priorities, spaced vertical boards or decorative cutouts can provide just the right balance. You can even design a layered look. Solid lower panels for privacy and open lattice work on top for light and style. In the end, a wooden backyard gate is not just an entryway. It is a gesture of welcome, a mark of identity, and a quiet symbol of care. Every time you open it or close it, it connects you to something timeless. The craftsmanship of natural materials, the intimacy of home, and continuity between inside and out. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this exploration of wooden backyard garden gates, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts below. So until next time, happy decorating.